unveiling the life of Ryoma Sakamoto, a visionary samurai from Japan. Born in the mid-19th century, Ryoma played a pivotal role in Japan's transition from a feudal society to a modern one. His story is one of courage, innovation, and resilience. Ryoma is best known for his instrumental role in overthrowing the Tokugawa shogunate, paving the way for the Meiji Restoration. He was a prolific writer, his work reflecting his strong belief in democracy and equality. His life was cut short at the tender age of 31, yet his legacy lives on his contributions to Japan's modernization are remembered and cherished to this day. Ryoma Sakamoto, a samurai who changed the course of history. Join us again as we delve into the lives of history's most influential figures, uncover their stories, their struggles, their victories. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.